afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question. Question number 26, and the question says the foremost British trading company in on the West African coast was dash. The foremost British trading company on the West African coast was dash. Option A, Liver Brothers. Option B, United African Company. Option C, John Oates and Sons. Option D, Royal Niger Company. So, and in history, as we learned that era, during the British era in West Africa, particularly, there is a company called Royal Niger Company. So, and this company was the most British trading company on the coast of West Africa. So, the option D is correct. So, option D is our correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.